how to buy May network token. So this token came under the symbol of May. Now before it started, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it will be listed on MEXC. So to be able to buy this token in your account, now first of all, open your MEXC account like that. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. After that, here in the search bar, just type the token name, May, like that, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Wait a few seconds to load this page. As you can see, this token will be live for trading in about 12 hours from now. After that date, click on emit, and now you can type here how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see the total. This is how much you will be paid of the USDT on account. Now click on buy May. If you prefer to buy with market option, now click on market and drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy May token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.